Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can set up your secondary monitor for the gaming, by which you will get the best performance out of it. So let's start. First step is you need to make sure that the resolution of the secondary screen is correct on your Windows. So right click on your desktop, open display settings, and once you open that, click on identify. And now look for the screen. Primary screen should be your monitor one, whichever you like. In my case, this is my primary screen, the first one. You can click on that option and click on make my primary screen like this. Make this my main screen. So this is a step number one to make it. Now let's move on to the next step now. Next step is very important. Scale, you need to make sure that you should choose it to recommended, not go with any other, just go with recommended. Otherwise the pixel can be different on your Windows, so it's better to keep it at 100. And display resolution, also look for the recommended one. So this is my primary monitor and this is my secondary. I will go with the same resolution settings here and choose the recommended one, which is showing up here, and the scale one as well. Now next setting is you need to make sure that once you open your this option, advanced display, and then look for the choose refresh rate. Also choose the higher refresh rate on your Windows and see if that is working or not. If the higher resolution, the refresh rate is not working, then you can choose it to the minimum one, but the higher the better it will be. Now let's move on to next step. Now just scroll down and look for the option graphics, and now optimize for Windows game. Just if it is untick, just enable this option, and this will help you to optimize your latency and use the feature compatible according to the game. And now let's move on to the next option is the cursor one. Some cursor settings you have on your Windows, so that is the reason we can set it up. Let me just close this and again go to the same options, and you should get the option multiple display here. This is the multiple display. Just untick this option, each cursor movement between display, and this will help you to just move your cursor without any bugs and without any delay. Also make sure your graphic driver is up to date on your system. Open device manager. If the device manager driver doesn't have the latest graphic card version, that you will get some of the issues. Okay, also right click on your graphic card driver and then look for the option display, and once you see this option, if any option is showing up here that is related to power management, allow the computer to turn off this power to save, just untick that option from your display adapter. Okay, and look for the option which is the latest graphic card version on your system. So this is a video guys, and I hope this video helps you. Additionally, last step is you need to make sure that you can extend your screen or you can use the multiple display. This will duplicate your display. The same window you will see in both the screen here, And when you extend it, you can do it multitask. One tab you can open in primary screen, then secondary screen. So only one will be showing up, only one tab here when you keep the changes here, and the secondary one will be turned off. So only two will be showing only the secondary screen. Okay, and I have shown you all the steps we can multiply and we can do the setting related to our game. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.